Hello guys! Let's learn some colors name. Purple color, orange color, yellow color, red color, sky blue color, violet color, dark blue color, dark green color, black color, pink color, brown color, light green color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for ant. B for bus. C for car. D for doll. E for egg. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kingfisher. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose. O for oxygen. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rain. S for sun. T for tree. U for universe. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zipper. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, yellow color, brown color, orange color, dark green color, light green color, violet color, purple color, dark blue color, sky blue color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. Small letters. A, B, C, D. A for apple. B for bus. C for cucumber. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for flowers. G for glass. H for horse. I for ink. J for jam. K K for king. L for lollipop. M for moon. N for nest. O for owl. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tuberose. U for umbrella. V for vanilla. W for water. X for X. Y for yolk. Z for zipper. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.